Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups after a public holiday in the US yesterday. Nothing really going on. This could be a flag for another leg down. It could also be setting up for something to the upside. Now, if we hovering here, I'm going to put this zone in. So we're hovering here between 107. 527 and 107.360. Nothing really happening. Oscillators are indicating a move to the upside, but we are below the moving averages here on the 8 hours, so take that with a little bit of salt. And if you look at the 3 hour, we do get a we are getting a crossover of the moving averages, but it's not in place just yet, and we are still below the 150 EMA, and then you can see oscillators all over the place. So no clear direction here on the higher time frames, and the possibility of this being a flag of sorts is still pretty high. So drill down to the hour, nothing changes. It was a public holiday yesterday, so we're in amongst all the moving averages here. For me, I think let's just get rid of this channel. If we break up above 107.527, come back and retest, then it's long. I'll be looking for longs. That'll be a fairly decent break of this range. Break below 107.360. It's going to have to be a deep break below it, and then a pullback to come and test either that level or 107.250 area. I'm a little bit skeptical to the downside at the moment. It just doesn't marry up with what's happening on the S&P 500. So I'm sitting on the sides. I don't want to get involved in this until this range breaks. So it's going to have to be a clear break of 107.527 retest for a move to the upside, and that's going to be fairly decent trade because you've got next level is at 107.729. Any move to the downside, I'm going to take with a lot of caution because you should hit resistance at 107.064. So break below 107.360. I think you've got a strong possibility of being caught here at 107.250. Break below that, then you'll be looking at this, but then you can see there is areas where you could get caught out pretty quickly. So I think this is a range. I think it's probably going to just expand in its range for a little bit longer. We are waiting for some data, and we're waiting for the Feds. So yeah, I'm sitting quietly. I think S&P offers some interesting trades. The DAX has got something brewing there as well, but the Dow is also kind of just in a wait and see scenario, but it could explode at any moment. So that's kind of what the markets are doing. Everything's consolidating, looking for an opportunity. Where is that next opportunity coming from is the question. Anyway, I'm sitting on the sides. I'm not going to bother with this today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.